First thing to know is you are going to need to determine what your electric is in the building to make sure the charger you order is the correct one. At Warehouse Buyers Club, we have a great tool to help you select either used batteries or used chargers, but you need to know whether it's a single phase or three-phase electric, as well as if it's three-phase, 208, 240, 480 volt. Very common in most buildings is a three-phase 480 volters. Okay, now that we have that figured out and we have a forklift charger ordered, how do I actually plug in to my forklift? Well, this connector here is a SP350, which is very common for 36 volt batteries. This connector will plug into the battery itself. One thing to remember, and I see this as an issue for many customers, you do not plug this into the truck, you plug it to the battery. This is what goes into the charger, not the connector on the truck when charging the battery. Why is this important? If you plug it into the truck, it's not going to get powered up, and you will not have a battery that's going to work when you come back in to work for your shift. Also, there's many different varieties of chargers out there in the market. Number one thing I see people get wrong when charging their forklifts is not equalizing the battery. What is equalizing? All Equalize is doing is taking the battery that's being used and fully charging it back to 100% by fully gassing the battery and pushing the acid out of the plates of the battery cells. One item you should look for in your charger is an actual equalize button. When I take this connector and I plug it into my forklift battery, I press this equalize button and it's going to tell me ready to equalize. It's going to go through its motion, do a full battery charge, and stop. You shouldn't do this every time. You should only do it once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on how often you use your forklift. This is really important to make sure you keep the longevity of your battery, and also making sure that you get the acid out of the cells so that your battery doesn't corrode.